Hey guys, welcome to Raw Customs. I'm your host, Patrick Polo, and on this episode we're going to cover scaling a helmet. So Dominic has asked how to size a helmet. So I've got some helmets here for some size comparisons, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So when I size in inches. I generally size in an inch, half an inch, or a quarter of an inch. So I've got these helmets here to help you understand how far an inch scales the helmet up. So from here to here is an inch scale. And you can see there's a massive size difference here. So that's why when you scale something, you're not going to want to scale it, like I said, a quarter of an inch to a half an inch at a time is generally how I do it. From these two helmets, this is a quarter of an inch scale. So this is actually, you can see how much smaller this helmet is than this one. And then I had the Wasp helmet. I'm actually still working on this one, but you can see the difference in size. This is a half inch scale from this helmet to here. This was actually pretty small. I couldn't even come close to getting it on. This one I can squeeze on, so I'm still going to scale this one up another quarter of an inch, and I believe that's going to get it a good size where it would actually fit my head. Now all my templates are done and finished in Inkscape. I use Inkscape for two reasons. Number one, it's great software, guys. Number two, it's free, so you guys can download it for free, no charge. So go get it, guys, and let's get started on how to scale. To get started, go to your web browser and type in Inkscape. Click on the Inkscape Draw Freely, go to the website, download and install the program. Once you've opened up Inkscape, go to File, Open, and find your templates. They'll be in PDF format. Click on your first page and select Open. Your import settings window will open up, just select OK. Go back up to File and scroll down to Document Properties. You'll notice that the rulers on top and bottom are laid out in pixels. Go to the display units, hit the down arrow and select inches. This will change the rulers to inches. Go to the custom size and change it to inches as well. In the custom size area, you can change the page border. Your page should be set to 8.5 by 11. Once the page is set, go back up to File, scroll down to Import. Go to your templates and import page 2. Inkscape will only let you import one page at a time. Import all the pages for your template. Since this is only an example, I'm only going to import a few. Once all your pages are imported, you can stack them on top of one another. You can zoom in and out using the plus and minus keys. Next, select your Create a Rectangle or Square tool and create a rectangle at the top of your border. Set the left side of the rectangle to 0 on your ruler and the right side even on any number. Go back up to the top and select your arrow, zoom out, and draw a bounding box around everything. Now go to the top and select Object, scroll down to Group and hit Select. This will allow you to scale all the templates as one. At the top you'll notice adjustments for the height and width. There's a lock icon in between them. If unlocked, you can scale the width and height individually. Hit the icon and make sure the lock's closed. This way the height and width will scale together. For this example, we're going to scale down a quarter of an inch. Hit the down arrow on the height to scale down. You'll notice that the right side of the rectangle has moved in from 4 to 3 3/4. Once your pieces are scaled, go back up to Objects, scroll down and select Ungroup. Then your pages can be separated. Now you can line your templates up inside your border. Go to File and scroll down to Print. Select your printer and print your page. After your page prints, you can move the next template into the border and repeat the process. Don't forget to save your project. Make sure to hit Save As and save it as a new file. If you save it as a SVG file, when you open it up, it'll open up all your templates together just like you left them. On the templates I designed, you'll notice there's multiple colors. The black lines are the cut out lines. The red are to score or engrave. The green are reference lines you'll want to mark with a pencil. Some of the pieces will be marked left and right, and edges that need to come together will be marked with the same letters and numbers. Once these pieces are cut out, you'll want to tape them together and trace them onto the foam as one piece. There it is, guys, how I scale a helmet. Now, I haven't come up with an exact method on how to measure your head and how to translate that into how far you should scale your helmet up or down. So for now, what I recommend is just to print out the main portions of the helmet, cut them out, tape them together, and put them on and see how it's going to fit your head, and then go from there. Once you have the scaling right, then transfer it to your foam and cut your pieces out and start to do your build. Now, at the first, you probably noticed I had multiple helmets with different sizes. That's because these are test builds, guys. I sit here, before I put the templates and the kits out for you, I actually make multiple builds trying to get all the parts to come together just right so that your build's a lot easier than my first one, at least. Anyway, since I end up having extra helmets and stuff, and you can see I'm starting to get kind of full up here, I'm actually going to start selling what I built. I'm not going to be making these helmets to be built. I'm just going to try and clean out the closet a little bit, make some room for the new builds that I got coming in. So if you're interested in purchases any of these, I will be putting them on Etsy, 1 or 2 at a time. So go ahead and go subscribe to my Facebook or my Instagram page, because I'll put them there first, letting y'all know that I've got a new helmet out for sale if you're interested. That's it for this episode, guys. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.